Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game, and if you have already logged in to your account, then you will be taken directly into the home page. Now you can simply tap on the Play with Friends button, and if you have logged in to your account from Facebook, then you will see all of your friends that are already on 8-ball pool who play the game. You can also tap on the Invite Friends button, and then you can send the invite link to various Facebook contacts. You can also tap on the Add by Unique ID button, and then you will be able to type in the unique ID of your friends and tap on the search button to add them as your friend. You can find your unique ID by going into your profile, and you will find the unique ID, which is mostly a combination of numbers. Just type in the number and then you can add your friend on 8-ball pool. How you can play 8-ball pool game with your friends. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and once the game is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now, if you log in with your Facebook account, by tapping on Login with Facebook, you might need to continue with logging into your Facebook account, and then you will be logged in automatically. Now, since we used our Facebook account to log into 8-ball pool, all of our friends who play the game will already be added onto our list. So we can simply tap on the Play with Friends button from the home page, and we will find all of our friends that play the game. We can simply tap on the challenge button and then select where we want this match to be. The challenge will be sent, and when our friends respond to this challenge, we will be able to play with them. How to change your name on 8-ball pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game, and if you have already logged into your account, then you will be taken into this home page. Now from the home page, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and this will take you into your profile settings page. Now from the settings page, you will be able to find your name alongside your profile picture. Just tap on the edit icon at the right side of your name, and now you can select your desired username. Just note that only the first name change is free, so you might have to pay later on, so make sure you make wise use of this free name change. After typing in your desired name, tap on the confirm button, and now as you can see, the name has been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on 8-ball pool game. Now, as mentioned earlier, the next time you wish to choose your name, you might have to pay for it. But as it turns out, you will have to wait a few days. So that's probably not that much of a bad news. How to change your profile picture on 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and if you have already logged into your account, then you will directly be taken into this homepage. Now from this page, tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and then you will be taken into your profile page. Now from this page, you can edit your profile picture by tapping on the edit button at the top right corner of your profile picture. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose from various different types of pictures. You can also change various chat packs as well as stickers. Just go ahead and look for your desired picture, and then you can tap on the buy button to use this picture as well. How to block someone on the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. From the main menu, you can access all of the accounts that you have been added with by tapping on the friends icon at the bottom left corner. Now within this page, you will be shown all of your friends that are added within the 8-ball pool game. Now you can simply tap on any one of their profile, and you can have a look at their profile page. From this page, simply tap on the 3 dots at the bottom left corner of their profile picture, and you will find various options to report the user. However, there is no direct option of blocking them. So all you can do is either report them by selecting a reason and then tapping on the report button by consenting that your report is true. And before providing a report, you can simply tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of their profile and tap on the yes button to remove them from your friends list. How to change your country on the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the home screen. Now once you're on the home screen, in order to change your country, simply tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and then you will find your username as well as the country at the left side of your name. If you have created your game account using a miniclip ID, then you can tap on this and change your country as well. However, if you didn't do it, then go back and tap on the settings option at the bottom left corner. From there you can simply scroll down and tap on the Logout button and then proceed with logging in using a miniclip ID. Simply tap on Login with miniclip and then proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. If you don't have a miniclip ID, you can simply create a new one and then choose the desired location for your country in the selection menu. And once you log in with your miniclip ID, your location will be changed based on your account as well. How to send coins in the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you can send coin to any one of your friends by simply tapping on the friends option at the bottom left corner. After you tap on this, you will be shown all of your friends within the game. In order to send them coins, simply tap on the gift option at the bottom left corner of their ID, and then this will immediately send them coins. You can also do this by tapping on the gift icon at the bottom left corner of the game's main menu itself, and then you can simply tap on Send Gift, and from there you can tap on Send Free Coins. Then simply select all of your friends that you want to send coins to, and then tap on the Send button. And now all of the friends that you selected have been sent some free coin. How to reset your existing account on the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and after the game is fully loaded, you will end up on the home page. Now, once you're on the home page, you can either select a game mode, or you can edit your account settings by tapping on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. From here, if you already have been logged into your account, you can simply tap on the Logout option, and this will log you out from your account on the 8-ball pool game. Now, in order to reset your game completely, go ahead and open up your phone settings and then tap on Apps. Now, from the Apps page, simply search for 8-ball pool and then tap on it once you find it. This will then take you into the application info page, where you need to first tap on the Force Stop button at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the application. Then simply scroll down and tap on Storage and then proceed with clearing your data. Tap on the Clear Data option at the bottom left corner and then tap on Delete, and this will clear all of your data for the application. Once this is done, you can go back to the application and you will see that all of your account has been reset. Then you can simply continue as guest, and this will allow you to start a new game without any progress coming back from your old accounts. How to log out from your account on 8-ball pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game, and if you are logged into your account already, you will be taken into the home page directly. Now, in order to log out from your account, tap on the settings option at the bottom left corner. This will take you into the settings page where you can see underneath the account section all of the accounts that you are logged in with. So whether you're logged in with Google Play or Facebook or your miniclip ID, you can simply tap on the Logout option at the very bottom, and then this will automatically log you out from your account no matter which account you have been logged in with. If you wish to log back in again, you can just tap on the appropriate button and then proceed with logging back into the game. How to log out from your Facebook account on 8-ball pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and if you are logged into your account already, then you will be taken into this home page. Now just tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on Profile. Now from the home page, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left corner, and then you will see your account information. Underneath the login section, you will see that you have already been logged in. Just scroll down and you will find the Logout feature. Just tap on it, and now you will be logged out from your Facebook account. And as you can see, you will once again be taken into the login page. If you wish to log in with your Facebook account again, you can just tap on the Login with Facebook account button. How to delete your friends on 8-ball pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device and wait for a while until it is loaded. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken into the home screen where you can immediately start playing various different modes. Now, in order to add or remove someone, you can simply tap on the Friends option alongside the Gift tab at the bottom left corner. Now, from here, you will see various friends that you have added onto your 8-ball pool game. In order to remove any of your friends, you can simply tap on the cross icon at the top right corner, and this will ask you whether you are sure that you want to remove your friend from the friends list. In order to confirm, you can simply tap on the yes button and this will remove your friend from your friend list. If you are unsure, tap on the no button and then your friend will not be removed. You can do this with any number of friends that you have added to your 8-ball pool game. Just search for their account and tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of it. Then just confirm. How to delete your 8-ball pool account on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. Now, from the main menu, in order to delete your account, if you have logged in already, simply tap on the settings option at the bottom left corner. From here you will find various login options including your Google Play, your Facebook account and your miniclip ID. From here, if you are already logged in, using your Facebook, your Google Play or miniclip ID, you can simply tap on the Logout button and you will be logged out from your account. That is how you can delete the saved account from your 8-ball pool game. However, in order to completely start up a new game, you will either have to change the Facebook account or the miniclip or the Google Play account associated with your 8-ball pool game. You can also tap on Play as Guest and you will be able to start a new game completely without signing up to any accounts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your existing account on the 8-ball pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.